Function operations. The objective of this video is perform operations with functions. So another operation that we can do with two functions is the composition of functions, which is basically we have these two functions and we are going to use one to plug into the other one. So it's better seen to show. We must understand the notation. When I have F and this little circle means compose, and it's read F of G. Means we are starting off with our F function because that was the first letter. So 2. However, when we get to the letter A, that means that we're going to plug in our second function as the letter A. So A plus 3. Close your comma, and then I will return to my F function and write whatever is missing. So this is the same thing as saying 2A plus 3, but I rewrote the A to be my G function. Once you do that, we are just going to simplify. In this case, we would need to distribute. So 2A is 2A. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 3. And then combine like terms. So 6 plus 3 is 9. That is positive. So we keep the plus. So 2A plus 9 is the composition. So we would write F of G of A is equal to 2A plus 9. A few more practice problems. So F of G, we are starting with my F function, 3. However, once I get to the letter, the variable, I will replace it with my other function, in this case G, so 3t minus 2 plus 4. And then you want to simplify. So 3 times 3 is 9, t. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Combine like terms. So negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. So 19 minus 2. H of G means we are starting with our A function. So A will be 2A minus 4 squared minus 2. Now careful, when we are squaring a binomial, that does not mean that we're just going to distribute the square. This means that we have to have 2A minus 4 twice. So I am going to distribute 4A squared minus 8, A minus 8A plus 16 minus 2. Combine like terms. So negative 16A, 4A squared plus 16 minus 2 should have combined like terms as well there. And we are done. You should pause your video, try and complete these two problems, and then press play to see if your answer is correct. Pause your video now. So F of G, 4A gets replaced by my other function, so A squared plus 3. I am not forgetting to put my parentheses, so I do not get confused later in the simplifying process. This means to distribute, so 4A squared plus 12 plus 2. Combine like terms, so 4A squared plus 14. One last problem. X squared. So 3x plus 1 squared minus 3x plus 1. Don't forget to distribute, to rewrite the 3x plus 1 and then double distribute We must follow order of operations. We have to distribute before we can subtract. Things will not cancel out here. So 3x, that is 9x squared, plus 3x plus 3x plus 1. Then we can write the minus 3x plus 1. Now things will cancel out. You could combine like terms and then subtract, or cancel out from the beginning. I see that I'm going to have a positive 3x minus 3x. So 9x squared stays the same, plus 3x plus 2.